Wait, did you know you just watched a part of my music video made entirely with AI? Yeah, every frame. Let me show you exactly how I did it. Oh, and one more thing. You're not even listening to a real voice right now. Yeah, I'm AI too. Three months, no camera, no crew, no budget. Just me, my computer, and a completely unreasonable amount of patience. Before any image, before any animation, you need a plan. So I opened ChatGPT at 11 p.m. and typed something like, "I want a storyboard for a Latin pop video. Here are my ideas." The AI gave me something. I hated it. I rewrote the prompt, still hated it. 6 complete rewrites. What I learned, ChatGPT doesn't have opinions. It has confidence, which sounds great until you realize it'll agree with absolutely anything you say, including your worst ideas. So you still need taste. You still need vision. ChatGPT is just very enthusiastic about whatever you decide. Next, the main character, someone confident, magnetic, someone who owns every room she walks into. Easy, right? No. Getting a consistent character across multiple scenes, that was always the problem. In my previous clips, I tried using character references across different tools. It never quite worked. Then I found Nano Banana. It lets you lock a consistent character and reuse her across scenes. And that changed everything. It's not perfect, but it's close enough that your audience won't notice. And in this game, close enough is a win. Images that don't move, that's a slideshow. We are not making a slideshow. For motion, I used Pixverse. This is where things start feeling like an actual video. The character moves, the camera moves, the whole thing comes alive. Now, I want to be honest with you. For every clip you see in Brillando, I probably generated 10 that went straight to the trash. Wrong movements, weird glitches, arms going somewhere they shouldn't. AI video is still raw. It's powerful, but raw. You need a filter, and that filter is you. Your taste, your patience, your ability to watch the same 3 seconds 40 times and say, nope, but also knowing when to say, okay, that works, because credits aren't infinite and neither is time. Now you have dozens of clips, random, unconnected, generated at 2 a.m. Now you have to turn them into a music video. That's where After Effects came in. I'm not a pro editor, but I know what I like. Color grading, cuts, transitions, and above all, sync. Every visual hit has to match something in the music. Every move, the beat, the lyrics, even the breathing. If it doesn't sync, the whole thing falls apart. You can't always explain it, but you feel it instantly. During the editing process, I spent dozens of hours just on timing for a 2-minute video. There were moments I thought I was wasting my time, but when you finally land that one cut perfectly on the beat, worth it, completely worth it. The video went live. The numbers weren't what I hoped for. I'm not going to pretend otherwise. Plot twist, the world didn't care. But here's what actually happened. During those 3 months, I learned more about visual storytelling, AI tools, and my own creative instincts than in the 3 years before that. When I look at my old clips, I see the gap, and that gap is progress, and no algorithm can take that away from you. So if you're thinking about making something with AI, do it. Don't wait for approval, don't overthink the noise. Some people are against AI. That's fine. You're not creating for them. Create to explore. Create because the process itself is the point. But be honest with yourself. If you want something that actually hits, it takes time. It's iterations, failures, adjustments. That's where the difference is. Brillando is in the description. It's not flawless, but it's something I'm proud of. Go watch it. It hits different when you know the process. See you in the next one.